genuine people, strong-hearted people doing their very, very best to the advancement of the profession, but most importantly, to the well-being of patients.
We can share and we can improve based on our experience, on the mistakes, and actually just stay away from the mistakes. We learn from each other.
I really enjoy meeting the people. This event in particular was showing you the Bicon implants are used in a very high level medical surgeries.
It changed our experience. We do something on our ways and they are doing something in their ways.
I can learn from others what they do different and how I can then improve my own work.
I was thoroughly impressed. In fact, I was nonplussed when I saw the extent of the treatments that you're providing for needy patients. Truly remarkable. I, as a dentist, would never even comprehend this type of surgery. And yet, to restore them with short Bicon implants and providing not only aesthetics, but a function, it's truly remarkable. So once again, thank you, and a special thanks to Dr. Ewers, who started this 12 years ago with no real evidence at the time. And now we have 5 or 6 units in Europe with many cases. So, mille grazie.
What's the dinner last night?
Oh, if I have my druthers, I know Rome is Rome, but I'd have to say fish in Pescara and dinners in Pescara. What do the Italians do? It's, yeah, so.